If you don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
Hey, can you guys sit?